Welcome, Link53. Pleasure to have you around. Of course, this is Ludum Dare's unconventional weapon. Ludum number 32. And basically what I'm doing is I'm going through playing a few of the ones that have been registered, and if anyone wants me to play a certain game, all I need to do is ask and I will do my very best. Okay, how do I jump? How do I jump? Okay. There must be a jump. Oh, I found it. I have got a list. I have a list indeed. The list can be found if I post it here. So if you want to get your game played, all you gotta do is just register it in our list. I'll go through it. Okay, so we got jump and shoot. No, that's not how you jump, and that's not how you jump either. Do I have health bar? Well, whoever dies. I do. There we go. There's the health bar. So now you kind of have an idea of... Oh, that gives you health. Is it me? Is this girl look like it used to be a guy and then just last minute changed its hair? Doo-doo. I don't know what that was about. Oh! What's going on there? Does it mean the colour of the laser changed? Maybe that's what I did. Stop it with your cheating swineness. There we go. Let's pass through door. Okay. How do you pass through the door? It doesn't look like there's a door passing through button. I've tried enter, funnily enough. I did try that and it didn't work. Let's try again. Enter, enter, no. Space, shift, space, just goes down for some reason. Let's try now. Nope, can't go through the door. Let's go on an adventure for a while. Maybe there's something else we're missing. Press all the keys at once. Alright. Ah! Maybe I need that flashing thing. Maybe that's the secret to the exit. You watch. It'd be... Oh, come on. This game's not forgiving when it comes to jumps. You gotta hit the jumps perfectly each time. Oh, no! Jeez. Ah. Sly. Ah, I can shoot my screen. Excellent. No, not you. You on it. There you go. Right, let's do it. Oh no! God dang it. Let's try exit. Yeah! He had to get the shiny thing. Don't you look at me with that tone of voice. No. 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 Oh. You are kidding me. And now this guy. No. Ah. Well, he technically hit me, but I didn't take the damage, so I don't argue with that. Could you stop with the cheekiness? God dang it. Look at him spinning around like he knows what he's doing. Well, now you give me a heart when I don't sort of need one. God dang. Stop with the cheating! Oh! No, no, no! Oh! God dang it! I have to add it myself to the list. I'm sorry, I'm not that clever when it comes to the games list. It's one I did myself, but I will go and grab it a bit later after I've defeated this game. And much enjoyment will be had, no doubt. Come on, Kimi. Yes, heart. God, no, no. Right, I'm gonna go back down the way I came because reasons. God dang it! No, not you again! Oh, maybe I should go and kill them all before going after the shiny thing. Shiny thing. Well, we get the gist. The thing. The remote is the weapon. Just holding it a bit like a shotgun. It's definitely a guy, isn't it? Stop with your cheating swineness. 3 of them. God dang it. Right. No, you pain in the bum. That's enough of that. Okay, that was remote control. And that was a hard game.